Hey everyone, I'm Valdemar, Docker Captain, AWS Community Builder, HashiCorp Ambassador, Snyk Ambassador, Cypress Ambassador, and a DevOps consultant with over 20 years in IT. I've worked at Amazon, IBM, and both big and small companies. Today I help teams master DevOps, containers, and cloud technologies. On this channel we break down DevOps, Docker, and all things automation so you can level up your skills and build powerful, scalable systems. Today I'm showing you how I built a production-grade GitOps pipeline on AWS, fully containerized and based on a real-world experience. No buzzwords, no clickbait, just architecture that works and a mindset that scales. I want to start by explaining why I choose GitOps. GitOps is about control. Git becomes your single source of truth. Every change goes through a pull request. Every rollback is just a git revert. No guesswork. No who deployed this on Friday night. In 2025, GitOps isn't a trend. It's the baseline for any team that takes infrastructure seriously. But why exactly did I choose GitOps? Let's dive into my personal setup. At the core, I use AWS EKS, Amazon's managed Kubernetes. Docker images are built and pushed to ECR. Manifests live in Git. Argo CD syncs the cluster automatically. Terraform provisions everything from VPC to namespaces. Secrets are managed securely with HashiCorp Vault. GitHub Actions ties it all together. Just one Terraform apply and you have a fully reproducible, codified platform. Zero manual steps. Let's talk about why containers are at the heart of this architecture. A container is the smallest unit of reliability. It runs exactly the same in dev, staging, and production. It's isolated, predictable, versioned. CI builds the image, tags it like release 2025-04-16 prod, pushes it to ACR, and that's exactly what runs in production. Remember that old joke? But it works on my machine? Containers kill that excuse forever. You build systems, not chaos. But there is a key mindset shift you need for GitOps. Let's talk about it. Here is a common mistake I see all the time, even from experienced teams. They think CI should handle deployments. In GitOps, it doesn't. CI's job is simply to push changes to Git. Argo handles the deploy on its own, on schedule, no manual triggers. That's the power of GitOps. Git is truth, CI is just logistics. But how exactly does everything connect together? Let's put it all together clearly. CI runs on GitHub Actions. It builds the Docker image, pushes it to ECR, updates Helm values, and commits to Git. Argo CD detects changes and applies them to the cluster. Terraform provisions the entire platform, including Argo CD itself. Vault integrates securely, providing secrets at runtime, no plain text tokens, no unencrypted environment variables. This stack isn't just functional, it's resilient. But getting here wasn't simple. Let me share the lessons I've learned so you don't repeat my mistakes. First, bootstrapping. Argo CD doesn't magically install itself, you need a clear plan. I personally use Terraform and the Helm provider to automate initial setup. Second, namespaces. Never run Argo CD alongside your applications. Isolation is key. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Third, secrets. If you're putting secrets in YAML files, you're not doing GitOps, you're doing HopeOps. Use Vault or AWS Secrets Manager, never expose credentials. And speaking of essentials, let's talk about monitoring. If your monitoring system is users calling you at 3 AM, it's not monitoring, it's a nightmare. I use Prometheus plus Grafana for metrics, Loki for logs, and Alert Manager for alerts. Argo CD also exposes metrics, so I instantly see if something drifts from Git. Monitoring isn't an add-on, it's essential. Without it, you're flying blind. Now, what does success look like? Let's talk results. Deployment time? Minutes, not hours. Rollback? One click. New environments? One command. New developers? Clone and go. Everything documented, repeatable, and under control. This isn't hype. This is reality. Let's wrap this up. This isn't just a technology stack. It's a mindset. Containers, infrastructure as code, Git at the center of all changes. This is what mature systems look like in 2025. GitOps isn't about YAML. It's about building systems you can trust. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, it really helps the channel. If DevOps, containers and cloud are your thing, hit subscribe and ring that bloody bell so you don't miss what's coming. Facing GitOps challenges or got insights from your experience, drop them in the comments, I read everyone. Want to connect with other IT pros? Join our DevOps community on Discord, link below. Support the channel and get access to premium DevOps insights on Patreon. Check it out in the description. That's it for today. Keep building, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next one.